guys, well, welcome to another episode, and today we are at Welham Green on the East Coast Main Line. So you'll be seeing services by Great Northern, Virgin Trains East Coast, First Hull Trains and Grand Central. I was filming earlier, but I accidentally turned the off button and it kinda ruined the shot in a way, and 313042 and 313059 turned up. That was doing the service to Welham Garden City. Gave me a great two-tone, and it was in the video, the screwed up video. And a double pairing of 365s went past. So let's see what shall arrive, depart and zoom past and all that kind of stuff. Okay, the next train to turn up is a 180. Did not see the numbers there, unfortunately, but there she is. First train of the day. Wow. Okay, the next train to Whiz Pie is a sparkling 365, jewelled pairing, looks like. Wouldn't get the middle, I don't think. We have 365 530. Don't know what the middle is. And out on the rear is 365 536. Like I said, I probably couldn't get the middle. So, okay, the next train to pass by is a passing train on platform 1. It's a 317. It's 317 344. Off to London King's Cross. There you go. Did a little bit of zoom. Okay, and the next train to go by is a 180 something from First Hull Trains. Probably going to Hull, maybe. I'm not too sure. Caught me out of surprise there. Okay, next train to turn up is a 365. 365 519 and 365 535, I think. I think that's what I saw. It caught me off guard there, as I was having a nice chat. As usual. I do chat a lot. Dad, don't say a word.